Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to build your own Trampler in Sand. If you want to create your own custom Trampler instead of using the default designs, the game lets you build one from scratch through the Blueprint system. To get started, open the Blueprints menu from the top navigation bar or the panel on the right side of the screen. Once you're there, press C or click Create Blueprint at the top of the Blueprint list. This will take you to the design screen where you'll build your Trampler. You can move the camera using the movement keys, zoom in and out with your mouse wheel, raise the floor view with R, and lower it with F. If you want to rotate the camera, use Q and E. Before placing any parts, hover over the core components section in the lower right corner of the screen. This will show the minimum required parts needed to create a functional Trampler. Start by placing a chassis from the Chassis tab. After that, add a motor reactor from the Essentials tab. Next, place a flybridge, which serves as your steering compartment. Then add an entrance area followed by a captain's compartment. Once all the core components are placed, you'll need to connect them together. Open the Decks and Frames tab and place standard decks between the compartments. You can hover over an existing deck and press C to quickly copy it onto other empty spaces. When everything is properly connected, the construction warnings should disappear. Now it's time to make your Trampler combat ready. Open the Combat tab and place turret decks wherever you'd like your cannons to be mounted. You may need to remove some standard decks first by selecting them and pressing X. Try to position your turret decks where they have a clear field of fire. You'll also want some storage space. Open the Utility tab and place a storage deck on any available section of the chassis. If you want to add a second floor, place a support frame with a hatch from the Decks and Frames tab, then build additional decks above it. This allows you to create larger and more complex Trampler designs. As you build, keep an eye on the statistics displayed on the right side of the screen. Your Trampler's design affects important factors such as speed, maneuverability, durability, and construction cost, so try to balance functionality with creativity. Once you're happy with your design, click the pencil icon beside the Trampler's name and choose a name for it. After that, click Save and Exit to finalize the blueprint. To use your custom Trampler, simply return to the Blueprints menu and select the design you've created. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by and see you in the next side quest.